Hey Billy, you wanna go to the top of the mountain and jump off?
I don't know. It's too high up.
Come on, it'll be fun.
I don't think I wanna.
I said we're going.
Yes, father.
Billy, you ready?
No,
It's so cool.
it's so high up though.
It's fine.
And what if I hit the boat?
You won't hit the boat. I promise you won't.
Okay. But you go first.
Okay, I got it. Back in my day, I used to do this millions of times. Ah! Oh, I can't wait till Billy does this.
Can you hear me on the radio? Check, check. Can you hear me on the radio, Papa?
Check, Billy.
Alright, I'm coming down. 3, 2.
Ah, there we go. Oh no.